Hi, Cruzy. I see you. Hi, everybody. We are out today, and we picked up a guest. So we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and to Victoria's Secret, possibly if we can make it. And we're going to Target, and we are waiting in our favorite place, Sonic. Cruzy's a little grumpy. I think actually Cruz and I had a cold, and he has been a little bit grumpy, and today and like yesterday, and so but he hasn't been, he's been tossing and turning in his bed and stuff, and I haven't slept well the last couple of days either. So I think we had some kind of bug instead of allergies. Look at this guy. Looks like he's riding a bicycle, going like that with his legs. Oh my gosh. We're at the Sonic by the house. They're usually a lot faster, but this person up in front of us, I think they changed their order or something, because they've been talking back and forth at the window, or maybe something was wrong, because the guy asked me, we ordered a mini mozzarella sticks, and the guy asked me if when we got them, if that was all my order, and I was like, yes. He goes, would you like some mozzarella sticks or some cheddar peppers? I was like, I just ordered mini mozzarella sticks, so I better make sure my order's right. Cruzy's walking with us. It's so cute. And this is why we have him buckled in. See? Look. Cruz took his shoes off. He didn't want them on anymore. Look at him getting stuff out of the bag. There are his shoes. He wanted them off. We found something for Cruz to play with. He's fascinated. Emmy? Oh. Ellie!
24 hours a day. She doesn't discriminate day or night.
This is all she does when we're back here. Where's Cruzy? Where's Daddy? Peekaboo! It's day 2 on my adventures of running around, and today I have Ramon with me. Yay! I didn't get to film in Target because I was running short on time, and so I had to just hurry because we had to get groceries and get home, and we still had to cook. And he made steak and vegetables on the grill, and it was really
good. So good. It was really good.
I mean, I could have that again tonight. I wouldn't complain.
The same seasoning we used that I used on the chicken for the chicken quesadilla yesterday, we used on the steak. It's spicy.
It is very spicy if you put it on both sides.
But it was good. It was
has
flavorful.
Such a great flavor.
It does.
But yes, we are in the Sonic drive-thru getting a little snack because I still don't feel 100%. I do believe I had a cold, some kind of bug, but I still don't feel 100%, and I'm still feeling yucky and kind of sluggish. So I hope nobody else gets it. as in
I hope I
Ramon.
don't. I'm just feeling sluggish just because I feel sluggish.
We just got our food, our snacks from Sonic. Now I want chicken.
Oh my goodness. We'll come back later and get chicken.
Yeah, we'll come back later. Just joking. Kuzi has his papitas. No? Okay, he doesn't.
He doesn't.
But he does. We're on our way to go to this appliance resale place to see what they have, because they also repair washers and dryers. So we're gonna see, they can tell us what's wrong with ours, so maybe hopefully we can get it repaired. If not, we're just gonna see what they have, because I don't know.
I'm getting tired of doing this.
Yeah. We're kind of getting tired of bringing the clothes out, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. I really was not impressed. That guy was a fast talker. Okay, there was one guy in there. He was like explaining to us like some of the motherboards for like the front loaders, because we have an LG front loader machine, washing machine and dryer, and he said the motherboards for the washers can run up to like $800. We didn't even pay $800 for the machine. We got it at Home Depot on like
Day after Thanksgiving sale.
yeah, and they were like $5.99 a piece or $6.99 a piece.
Something.
Yeah, it was like $1,200 for the pair.
Yeah. Something.
And we had to wait like I think a couple of days for them so we could pick them up. And or was it a couple of weeks?
Just a couple
Anyway,
days.
it's just a couple of days.
Yeah.
And they've been great machines, but it's just we haven't been 100%. But the guy kept saying, the other guy, the fast talker, oh, these are like the best machines. LG makes the best machine. I disagree. Gosh, you have to be so careful, because people just want to. I mean, well, he found out we had a front loader, so I kind of think that's like, well, I'm just going to sell them a front loader.
He had one LG there that was, and he kept saying, this is one of the best, LG makes the best, one of the best machines you could buy. It'll run forever. This one's great, runs forever, it's great. And then I said, no, we don't want a front loader, we want a top loader, because we didn't think that the front loader washed, well, I think the top loader washed better than the front loader. So when I said that, he says, yeah, you're right, it doesn't wash as well. So he went over and started trying to sell me a top loader. So yeah, he's a fast talker.
Not impressed. So we are just gonna, we kind of had a feeling that our machine was pretty dead. So we found us a washing machine on 5 Mile that's only $40, and the lady said it's in great working order or condition, and we're actually gonna go pick it up in just a few minutes. Ramon wanted to come home and put some tennis shoes on because he was wearing flip-flops.
Did you?
Yeah, our little guy was supposed to be taking a nap, and he did not take a nap, we don't think.
Here, turn off. We're going inside. All right, let's go. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
There it goes, up the stairs to our laundry room. You made it?
We made it. Now the real work begins. Getting that other behemoth out of there.
So you said this is a really good one?
And it seems like it's a Maytag. It's clean. $40, it works.
Beats wringing clothes out, right?
Yep. Most definitely.
Here comes the big monster. I'm sad. My nice washing machine's dead.
Yep. Should I play taps?
Yeah. Bye, broken LG. My machine died. Kind of sad seeing it leave. It was the first anything we bought together after we got married and stuff, so it's a little sad. I know, kind of probably sounds a little stupid, but I am making dinner. Yummy. Nummy. So here's our washer.
It's got one of those badass agitators in there, so it's gonna scrub the hell out of anything. It's running. I bet that Maytag will outclean the hell out of that energy though.
Yeah.
Your clothes may not last as long because the thing's just.
I know, that's it.
But
The other one was more gentle on our stuff.
all that means is you get to go shopping more, buy new clothes.
Okay. Cruzy's leaning against the washer because it's shaking.
That's funny, huh?
That's so funny. I think Ellie approves of the new washing machine. Ellie. Oh my gosh, and I think she's about to get comfy. What are you smelling? Look at this. I have more towels in the washing machine. I don't want to move her. She looks so cute.
I'm falling. I can't get.
That's so funny.